With over 150 yachts up for grabs, it's no wonder the Berthon Sales Group marketing crew is swamped with all sorts of tasks behind the scenes to keep our global brokerage running smoothly. At the heart of our service is crafting listings. We take pride in providing detailed and helpful info in our sales descriptions. It's not just about putting yachts up for sale anymore. Back in the day, maybe, but in 2024, with clients being more tech savvy than ever, we're all about telling each vessel's unique story through top-notch yacht photos, videos, and seller stories. This year, we've got SuperBob, our shiny new CRM software. We're hoping it'll make things more efficient, getting info out quicker, and helping our brokers work their magic from anywhere. It's all about supporting our brokers to give our clients the best possible service. That's what keeps our marketing team buzzing.